Right, now I'm back having checked a few things, and let's just go through page 1, 2 and 3, although I have changed them slightly. But page 1 here is my map, and the map of course shows the different sizes of the sales in the different provinces. Then page 2 would be my panel, which would have slightly different slices to last time, but same principle. Type of bike, salesperson, and then the sales across the years. Okay, and of course they would change as we selected the right items under the slices. Okay, all right, let's rub that out, get back to our original numbers. Sales and target sales. One can also add a little card in. Of course, let's do that. Let's add a card in. Okay, and the card can then show cost of sales. No, we really want sales on the card, plus we want, just to give it a clearer indication, let's put another card in. There we go, and that card will be target sales over there. Okay, let's drag that on, target sales over there. Go. All right. Okay, so let's have a look, for example, at road bikes. You'll see all the data does reconfigure itself beautifully. All right. Okay. All right, now we're going to go to do something similar to this, but we're going to have what we call drill down. Drill down is a very important feature, and that's really why we did create this table. Remember, date, year, month name. I'll say it quarter name before. Okay, so on the drill down, we're simply going to create our sales over here, just like we did before. So there's the sales. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drag our year up to the axis. Okay, so we can spread the sales across the years. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag the month and name just below the year there. So what we have is now the drill down option, and that's really what I'm wanting to have a look at, the drill down option. All right, now the drill down option, okay, is activated by that. Okay, so you click to turn on drill down, and then if you drill down right to the bottom, you will see it will go down to month and year, which is really good. But please note, there is a problem. All right, and the problem is the sort order. It's simply sorted from highest to lowest, and even if we change it to ascending, it'll simply swap it around the other way. All right, we really wanted to start in January 2014. That's what we want to do. In order to do that, we go back to our calendar, and what we do is we select month name and we sort by column, and we want month name to be sorted by month number. Now it will change everything in the graphic. You'll see it's busy working on it. All right, might take some time, but it should sort it out over time. Sort by, oh, there we go. There's the issue. Okay, so year, month, name, let's go. There we go. Now it's looking good. 2015 Jan, okay. All right, no, 2018 Jan, there we go, 2018 Jan. If I sort ascending, it'll start in 2014, as I recall. There we go. Now we're talking. All right, looking pretty good. Can put a couple of slices in there, etc. But now it's looking like a proper Manhattan. Okay. All right, now let's see if we can do without running into trouble. Oh, by the way, let me just go to the level up, which then drills up and then drills down to this. This one's slightly different, but please note, these are all the Januaries. Okay, not just January from 1 year, which is why you need this option, which is the proper drill down. Okay, all right, that's important. Okay. Something else I did notice once again, I'm now going to fly blind, but something else I did notice with regard to another one. If we just went proper year, let's try that, okay? Yes, let's try that. So we go sales, and we create sales over here, and then we go year, and we create year on the axis over there. So it's a duplicate, but it's not the drill down. Okay, and if we go here and we do the drill down, so let's say we do the drill down to this level, and then we click on that one over there individually, notice what happens. Yes, that's very good. So what happens here? Sometimes things actually do work. So we're looking at 2016's proportion to the entire amount. Okay, all right, January 2016, February 2016, which is pretty neat. Okay, all right. Okay, right, let's go and look at our KPIs. All right, let's hope I can get this one right. Okay, so I'm going to create a next sheet for KPIs. Okay, so if I just drag sales across here, I've got a graphics issue, there we go. So we're dragging sales across here, all right, and then put our year in from our dates X, okay, over here, all right, and change that to a KPI. Let's see what happens. There we go. All right, now if we put our target sales in as well, it'll tell us how far short we are. There we go. The goal was that, and yet we are below. Let's put some cards in, okay, just to give us a better indication of the cards of amounts. Okay, all right, yes, it seems we are working. All right, so I'm going to put target sales in there, create another card over here, and I'm going to put, notice how it snaps to grid, which is really cool. Okay, there we go, and I'm going to put sales in there. All right, there we go. All right, and if I put a slicer in over here, and the slicer shows per salesperson, data salesperson, salesperson ID. So I'm going to put the salesperson. I can go down here to salesperson and put the salesperson there. Notice these are related. And if I click, for example, on Jennifer, I'll see the extent to which Jennifer, in fact, is short. Okay, and then Ricky as well. Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make these much smaller and create some space for another graphic, another visualization, which I'm going to have to download from the internet. And if you have an account, a Microsoft account, you should be able to do that. Okay, so there we go. So I'm going to put it here. Notice there's nothing there, so I can go here to the home ribbon and more visuals. There we go, more visuals. All right, should give me an option from the app source. Okay, and what it'll do is it'll go to the web. It should go to the web and actually look for some more visuals. I'm going to look for a Power Kpi, and I will go to all, and I will search for Power Kpi. I just happen to know of that one. There it is. Let me add the Power Kpi. Okay. Notice it adds it, should add it down below. All right. There we go. There it is. Okay. And okay. Now watch what happens. Add the Power Kpi to the tapestry. I'm going to throw in sales, and I'm going to throw in year in the axis, and I'm going to throw in target sales. There we go. All right, sales and target sales, they're slightly different colors. It's not that apparent here. One is kind of a darker blue and a lighter blue. There we go, and that's obviously just for Ricky. I'm going to erase that there. Okay, there we go. How beautiful is that? Okay.